Oops, 2017 Subaru Forester. Guess what I have here? Can you tell? Put in the comment box. I guess you're gonna find out at the end, right? Okay. Da-da-da-da. Can you tell? Now, for those that don't know, this is lower control arm. Okay. The right side. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Okay. Oh, by the way, the part number is RK622A56. Control arm. Made in China. Now we're gonna use a 19mm socket. This is a funny part. Some spider. So okay, this is what we're gonna do. We have to lose this guy, and we're gonna have to remove it though, by the way. Okay, or at least only this side. Okay, spray some WD-40. Do this guy right here. There's a bowl right here. Okay, there's not a bowl for this right here. Hope you see it. Okay, and the ball joint right here. It's gonna be a 17. It looks it a little bit though. Now I have to grab it. Almost. So okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shoot these two right here. I'm gonna shoot these two right here. So this shit comes down and then all this is gonna come out. Okay. This guy. That's 19, I think. Now I can hit this too. right there. Just be careful when you pull it out. Okay. Okay. Okay, it's coming now. There you go. Oh, this is a new one. You can clean that if you want. Okay. All you can do is put it there. That's pretty much it. It's simple. Just make sure it's all the way in. Shit back. There you go.
I didn't know that.
Huh, 19. That's it. So these are 19, 17, 14. That's it. We just put the tire back, tie the lug nuts. Road test it. I'm back. Stu is back. Yeah, me. I hope you like this video and I hope you enjoy it. This was a video how to replace the lower arm in a 2017 Subaru Forester. At a certain point of the video, I said 2014. I think that was almost at the end when I was putting the tire back. I said 2014. It's not 2014. It's 2017. Okay. And I think in the beginning I said 2017 too. So there you go. Just to get it straight. For the record. Other than that, you know, put everything back and road test it. Road test the vehicle and feel for anything weird, like sound, noise, a pull to the side. I'm saying anything that it's not right, you know, feel for that, okay? And if you don't find anything, then you're good. If you don't find nothing, then you're good. I want to give shout outs to my subscribers, my followers, my viewers, those that haven't subscribed to my channel but are still watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit it, bang it, destroy the subscribe button. Do the same with the like button. Give thumbs up, share this video, and the feedback, put it in the comment box. Also, I want to encourage the females to become a mechanic, okay? I'm saying that because I haven't seen that many out here in the field. So ladies, catch up, alright? Always say, wear your safety glasses. Like I said, I'm not going to hold you up no more. I'm going to leave it right here. I hope you like this video. 2017 Subaru Forester. Yami, Astuo, Amaudi. See you in the next one. Holla at your boy. Meow.